Did you know that in Montgomery County, Maryland, a student is given an alternative meal to replace a traditional school lunch if their account is in the negative $10 or more? This replacement occurs at the checkout, identifying students to their peers as not having lunch money. Hi, I'm Chante Leverette, Communications Coordinator for Montgomery County Public Schools Educational Foundation. I'm speaking to you today as a mother of a student in Montgomery County Public Schools, as a graduate of Springbrook High School, and as a member of the community. The foundation is raising awareness and money to ensure that every student in Montgomery County Public Schools gets the lunch of their choice with our Dine with Dignity campaign. Imagine the impact that we can have on not just one school, but all schools in the county when we support the campaign. Interested in showing your support? Simply text DINE 206-2301-329-2238 from your phone to make a donation today. And until December 2nd, you may show your support by taking a selfie with our exclusive Dine with Dignity sticker and uploading it to our Facebook page. Every week, one person will win a $20 gift card for their selfie upload of support. Our Dine with Dignity sticker can be found on our website, available for download, in our office in Rockville, and thanks to one of our many partners located on your cup in every Starbucks restaurant in Montgomery County, Maryland. For more information about how you can show your support of our Dine with Dignity campaign, go to our website at www.mcpsfoundation.org. Thank you.